Hello guys, welcome to Say Geeks. Today our topic is how you can remove background of any image without Photoshop or any third-party software. If you have already not subscribed our channel, please like our videos and subscribe Computer Geeks. So I have this one random image and I want to remove background of this image. So simply you need to go into that specific website www.remove.bg. Just I will copy this link, go into browser. So this is a URL remove VG. Simply you need to upload here the image which you want to remove background. On desktop, this is on desktop. So this is the image. I'll make sure while opening. So yes, this is the image. Select that image, processing. As you are observing that the background has been removed successfully within 2 or 3 seconds. Simply then go into download. Now select the place where you want to save this image. 38A remove BG preview. So I will make sure that image background has been removed. This is a image. This is a updated image. Just open. As you are looking that the background has been removed and the picture was that, and after removing this is the picture. So in this way you can remove background via online. Thanks guys for watching and learning.